day money-back guarantee. We are not going to deceive you with false promises or over-the-top advertising. We are honest-hearted about our cause. We truly believe that when you buy this product, you'll get more than just a badge. You'll get the whole package: activate customer service support, quality packaging, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. That's right. If within 30 days after your purchase, not including weekends or holidays, you aren't 100% satisfied with our handbook, no matter how small, just send it back and we'll refund your entire order price. No questions asked. Frequently asked questions. ClickBank is the retailer of products on this site. ClickBank is a registered trademark of Click Sales Inc., a Delaware corporation located at 1444 S Entertainment Avenue, Suite 410, Boise, Idaho, 83709, USA, and used by permission. ClickBank's role as retailer does not constitute an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claim, statement, or opinion used in promotion of these products. As an internet retailer, ClickBank has worked in partnership with the major card brands to update our platform to reflect this status. One of the required safeguards of such an undertaking is the visible presence of ClickBank branding on the pitch pages. The objective is to ensure that customers have a clear path for purchase and resolution with any order or product issues. For order support, please contact ClickBank here. For product support, please contact the seller here. Legal terms and conditions: privacy policy, refund policy, affiliates. Copyright 2026. Trump Project 2026 is an independent creation and has no official affiliation, sponsorship, or endorsement from Trump or the Trump Organization. All registered trademarks, trade names, images, and likenesses remain the sole property of their respective owners. Any appearance or reference is purely for informational or comparative purposes and should not be interpreted as implying partnership, approval, or affiliation. This item has no cash value and is not recognized as legal tender or a substitute for currency. It is designed and intended exclusively as a collectible, novelty, display, or memorabilia item to show support or commemorate, and cannot be used for any financial transaction. This website, its owners, and associated are not affiliated with or sponsored by Trump or the Trump campaign. This is commemorative Patriot badge and is solely intended as memorabilia. Unauthorized duplication or publication of any materials from this site is expressly prohibited. If within the first 30 days of ownership you are not satisfied with the product, you can request a refund by writing to patriotsvictory@gmail.com.